My name is Caroline Gargett and I work in the Ritchie Centre at the Hudson Institute of Medical Research. My area really is endometrial stem cell biology, and on a broader scale it is women's health and gynecological disorders. Pelvic organ prolapse is really where it's a herniation, which is really like the descent of the pelvic organ, so that's the bladder, the bowel and the uterus into the vagina. It comes from childbirth injury. It's probably happening all along, but it becomes symptomatic when they hit menopause. So it's an incredibly embarrassing disorder, and it causes urinary and bowel and sexual dysfunction, and it's just something that women won't even talk about. Put it this way, 19% of women need an operation for prolapse. It's 1 in 5 women. This came from listening to a clinical seminar in our department by a urogynecologist who was talking on meshes. I didn't have a clue what a mesh was. I did know what pelvic organ prolapse was though, and I couldn't believe what I heard in that seminar. The number of women who suffer this, 50% of women over the age of 50, 25% of all women, and the problems with the mesh were unbelievable. And of course you see the gory pictures too when clinicians give their talks, and we had just discovered the markers for our endometrial mesenchymal stem cells at that time, and I determined in that seminar that I would develop a tissue engineering project to try and treat women with prolapse to improve that really appalling situation that I heard about. Well, my greatest hope is actually to raise up some young career researchers who can lead endometriosis research and the pelvic organ prolapse research. The other thing I'd really like to see is our endometrial mesenchymal stem cells. I would like to see them being used in the clinic for treating pelvic organ prolapse. We've probably only got a few more years before we'll be at that point.